Assalamualaikum and hello, welcome back. Today we are going to look at close-up for Form 3, Chapter 1, Family Ties, page 10, Listening. Before I continue, let me first explain on how I will go about this video. First, I will go through this page and look at the question one by one. After all of that are done, I will play the audio clip for the questions. If you are here just for the audio, you can just skip to minute 6:36. Sebelum saya teruskan video ini, saya ingin terangkan yang saya akan lihat dahulu soalan satu persatu. Selepas tu, barulah saya akan mainkan audio bagi soalan-soalan tersebut. Jika anda ingin terus ke audio, anda boleh terus ke minit 6:36. So this is page 10. The exercise here is listening. So let's go through the page. A. Look carefully at the pictures below. What can you see in each one? Lihat gambar-gambar di bawah dengan teliti. Apa yang anda dapat lihat di dalam setiap gambar ini? B. Look at the pictures in A again and match them to these questions. Lihat semula gambar-gambar di A dan padankan mereka dengan soalan-soalan berikut. 1. Where did the woman meet her cousin? Di manakah wanita tersebut berjumpa sepupunya? 2. Who does the man's niece take after? Take after ni maksudnya macam iras-iras lah. Jadi maksud soalan ni adalah sepupu dia tu iras-iras kepada siapa? 3. How does the man's daughter spend her free time? Bagaimanakah anak perempuan lelaki tersebut meluangkan masa lapangnya? C. Now listen to the 3 conversations and circle the correct answers A, B or C in task B. So you need to listen to the audio clip 1.1. C. Dengarkan 3 perbualan dan bulatkan jawapan yang betul A, B, or C di task B. Anda perlu mendengar klip audio 1.1 dan jawab soalan di B. D. Read the exam close-up. Then, read the exam task below and study the pictures carefully. Write notes about the differences, similarities, or connections between them. Untuk D, anda diminta untuk membaca exam close-up di bawah, kemudian baca exam task dan lihat gambar-gambar tersebut dengan teliti dan buat nota tentang perbezaan, persamaan ataupun kaitan antara gambar-gambar tersebut. So now let us look at exam close-up. Mari kita tengok exam close-up. Identifying differences. Mengenal pasti perbezaan. Before you listen, read the question for each set of pictures first and underline any keywords. Sebelum kamu dengar audio clip, kamu baca dulu soalan pada setiap gambar, kemudian gariskan kata kunci. Then, look at the pictures carefully and make sure you understand them. Kemudian, tengok gambar-gambar tersebut dengan teliti dan pastikan kamu faham gambar-gambar tersebut. It is important to identify the differences between them before you listen. Adalah amat penting untuk kamu mengenal pasti perbezaan antara gambar-gambar tersebut sebelum kamu dengar klip audio tersebut. Okay, let's look at the exam task. There are 6 questions in this part. For each question, there are 3 pictures and a short recording. Circle the correct picture A, B or C. Terdapat 6 soalan pada bahagian ini. Untuk setiap soalan, terdapat 3 gambar dan rakaman audio pendek. Bulatkan gambar mana yang betul, A, B atau C. So, let's look number 1. Which girl is her sister? Yang mana satukah adik perempuannya? 2. Who are the neighbor's children? Yang mana satukah anak-anak kepada jiran? 3. What time will the boy leave? Pada pukul berapakah lelaki itu akan meninggalkan tempat tersebut? 4. Where do Sophie and her family live now? Di manakah Sophie dan keluarganya tinggal sekarang? 5. When will they have their picnic? Bilakah mereka akan pergi berkelah? 6. What did the boy think of his friend's father? Apakah tanggapan budak lelaki tersebut terhadap bapa kawannya? Okay, after you have read the questions, let's look at E and F. Lepas baca semua soalan ni dan fahamkan, kita kena balik semula tengok E dan F. E. Now complete the exam task. Baik, sekarang boleh dengar audio dan jawab soalan exam task tadi. F. Now listen again. Okay, boleh dengar semula klip audio tersebut. You need to listen to audio clip 1.2. Untuk menjawab soalan exam task tersebut, kamu kena dengar klip audio 1.2. Jadi anda boleh start jawab sekarang. You can start to answer now. So right now I will play the audio clip. Sekarang saya akan mainkan klip audio yang kamu kena dengar. Unit 1. Family Ties. Track 1.1. Listening Unit 1, page 10, C. 1. Where did the woman meet her cousin? Did you remember to go to the library yesterday?
I did, but I was late because I saw my cousin before I got there.
Yes, she told me. She said she met you in the car park on her way to the supermarket.
That's right. Of course, she had to show me her new car.
2. Who does the man's niece take after?
So you finally met your niece yesterday. Who does she take after?
Well, she doesn't look like her dad at all. I suppose she does look a bit like her mother, but overall, I think she looks most like her grandmother. 3. How does the man's daughter spend her free time? I think my daughter should spend a bit more time outside. She could be riding her bicycle or something.
Well, at least she's doing something creative. Practicing the violin is much better than just sitting watching TV.
You're right, but sometimes I want a little peace and quiet. Track 1.2. Listening, Unit 1, page 10, E. There are 6 questions in this part. For each question, there are 3 pictures and a short recording. Circle the correct picture A, B, or C. 1. Which girl is her sister? Here they come now. Is your sister the one with the short hair?
No, my sister's got long, straight hair.
Is she wearing shorts?
Yes, that's her.
2. Who are the neighbor's children?
Have you seen the new neighbors yet?
Not to speak to, but I saw them arrive in their car yesterday.
Did you say they've got twin girls? Or is it twin boys they've got?
Neither. They've got a boy and a girl. 3. What time will the boy leave? What time do we need to leave to collect Dad from the station?
Well, his train is arriving at 2:30 and it takes about 40 minutes to drive there. So you should leave at about 1:50.
Oh, I thought we were leaving just after 2. But you're right. We should give ourselves more time to make sure we are not late. 4. Where do Sophie and her family live now?
My cousin Sophie and her family are going to move to London.
Oh, really? I thought they liked Brighton. They seem very happy here. Do they come from London then?
No, they are from Oxford originally.
5. When will they have their picnic? Do you want to come for a picnic in the park this Saturday?
Oh, I'm sorry, but I'm going to see my grandparents. They live a long way away, and we're traveling up on Friday. We could go on Sunday though.
Okay, I'll ask Mum to get some things at the market on Saturday morning.
That's great. Thanks.
6. What did the boy think of his friend's father? I'm a bit scared of your father. He looks very serious.
Oh, don't worry. That's just because you haven't met him before.
So, he's not always like that?
Not at all. He's actually very friendly and relaxed.